After you create a clipping mask, you might want to edit the mask or release it, which gives you the ability to have your two pieces again. So the first thing I'm going to do is zoom in on the Lizard and show you that we can edit this lightning bolt in two ways. I'm going to click on that whole object and show you that when I move it around, the lightning bolt and the lizard are still two pieces. So let me undo that twice or three times, get back to my first state here. But if I want to edit the lightning bolt itself, I can double click on it if I need to go into, as we know, the isolation mode. And then I can move it around if I want to. And it's still going to be clipped by the object no matter what I do. So if I want to put it in his snout, that's cool. Then I can go back to the artwork and now the mask is still intact, which is really cool. Another thing we can do is we can use our direct selection tool and click anywhere on top of our lightning bolt and we can continue to change it. And you'll notice that the mask still holds. So as long as you have a clipping mask on your object, you can continue to refine and move your objects and the mask will still work. So you're never stuck. It's not a permanent effect. Now, if you want to release the mask, what you can do is go back to your object menu, and you notice I have the guy selected here, and I can go to clipping mask, and I can also choose release or edit contents. Now, as you saw there, we already edited it by double clicking on it to go to isolation mode and also using our direct selection tool. So I can go to clipping mask, release, and now we have our lightning bolt back the way it was, and the mask is no longer intact. So now we can actually get rid of this lightning bolt and create a different shape if we wanted to. So as you can see, this is a very non-destructive effect, and you can change your mind, you can go back and forth, or whatever you need to do. You can create a completely different shape. So if you want to create a star, go ahead and create a star. Then do the same thing. Take the star, object, arrange, send it back. You can even change the color of that object. Let's make this one green. And then we'll grab our lizard, shift select the star, object, clipping mask, make. And then since I still have the lizard in memory, I believe, I can paste in back. And now we have a brand new shape inside of our lizard. Double click on it, go to isolation mode, click on the star, scale it down if you need to, reposition it, go back to your document, and now you have a clipping mask that you can release and edit at any time.